Good evening. Today we have 40 new cases. 32 cases are from Mangur and 8 cases are of travelers who came in from Mumbai. That brings our total number of active cases to 109. Today 1,484 samples were sent for testing and 1,363 samples were tested. 9 people are in hospital isolation. I just want to mention about the strategy that we have been following in our containment zone, which is Ward 11 and 17th of Mangur Hills. This was circulated yesterday as part of our press note, but I think it deserves to be mentioned once more, and through the medium of our channels as well as newspapers. There are certain things that we would like to bring to the notice of the public of Mangur and public in general. For Mangur Hill, there has been a dedicated medical helpline which has been made operational. I am reading out the medical helpline number: 87671 14825. Then we also have a helpline for food and grocery, specifically for the people who are within the containment zone, which is operational. The number is 87671 03976. Both these helplines, the helpline for food and grocery and medical helpline, are manned 24/7. The local administration, under the leadership of the collector, has taken over the supply of essential commodities on payment basis. Horticulture department has agreed to supply vegetables at the rate of ₹100, which is already pre-packed and will be handed over directly to the family. A box will be kept ready for the person to deposit the money. The two places have been identified opposite the Gurudwara and near the Maruti Temple Arch. The vegetable supply will be from 7 am to 9:30 am. Permission has also been granted to the milk van to supply milk daily in the containment zone at these same two places, but the timings are different. It will be from 5 am to 7 am. The milk supply will be from 5 am to 7 am. Arrangements have been made by the municipality for the collection of garbage, and the workers have also been trained and provided with safety gears. Face shields and other protective gear have been provided to the police personnel and all other officers and officials who are on duty in the containment zone. Leaflets have been given to every household, wherein the precautions to be taken by the persons in the containment zone and the restrictions which have been imposed have been clearly communicated. The medical helpline number and the food helpline number that I just mentioned are also part of that leaflet which has been distributed. And we are continuously collecting swabs from the health department at Mangur Hill. So I will just like to give you a breakup of that. On the first day, that was on the 2nd of June, we collected 202 swabs. Yesterday we collected 353 swabs, and today we have collected 400 swabs. So this is the breakup of the swab collection. Swab collection will continue till such time that we are satisfied that we have collected and we have tested enough samples. So out of these samples, I would again like to draw your attention. You know the numbers for yesterday. Yesterday there were 41 cases reported from the swabs which were collected. Those were the 202 swabs, 41. Then from the 353 swabs which were collected yesterday, of which the test results came by late yesterday night and early today morning, we have got the 32 new cases that I mentioned to you. And today's swabs, of course, which we have collected today, are currently being tested, and we will get to know again later tonight and by early tomorrow morning. Then the last point regarding the containment strategy is that there is a total restriction on the movement of vehicles and the area has been completely barricaded.
Hi, good evening. So far 49 trains have left Goa. These Shramik trains, out of them two have left today, one to West Bengal and one to Bihar, with 1,628 passengers each. So far our inter-state movement cell has organized the movement of people out of state for about 99,841, and so far since 29th April 2020, 15,092 people have came in, including people who came by flight, including seafarers, and by train about 69,039 people have left. On number of cases, spitting cases, so far we have booked about 8,744 cases, and on cases which are booked for non wearing of mask are 21,708. Thank you.
Just one correction, I mentioned 41, but yesterday from the samples collected day before, the 200 samples, that was 42, not 41, the correct figure is 42. 42 were from the Mango Hill samples.
Health department staff found positive in this.
Yes, one of our male public health workers who have been active in the Mango Hill area, yes, one of our workers has been found to be positive.
Aaron, do you feel there is a need to announce lockdown in Wasco city, or the patients are only limited to Mango Hill?
Our assessment medically has already been shared with you right on the day when we decided to declare containment zone in Vasco area, and I think on this our Honorable CM has spoken extensively today during his press conference taken at Vasco. So I will not, there is nothing more for me to add. Honorable CM has already dealt with it in detail.
Can you highlight something about the issue in Kalangut?
What is the issue in Kalangur?
She skipped test. There are some reports that speculation.
All that I know is that one of these patients, out of the new cases, 40 new cases that I mentioned, specifically 8 who have travelled from Mumbai, yes, there is a case of an elderly lady who came from Mumbai, and she has tested confirmed positive, and we have shifted her to ESI hospital.
She had attended some wedding. Any
I would not be able to tell you any more further details because we are doing the contact tracing and all of it. So the information that I have is what I've shared with you.
Another issue is that yesterday, since there could be announcement of a lockdown in Vasco area, there were some residents from that same area who moved out from those areas and came in other areas like in Old Goa and all, to stay in that.
There was no restriction for movement in and out of Vasco. The only area which is restricted is Mango Hills of Vasco. In Mango Hills, I can say with absolute certainty that no person has been allowed to either go out or freshly enter into Mango
So these
Hills.
locals were from Mangur Hill only who came down to Old Goa and stayed there.
I really don't think that is authentic
Because after
information.
people then
The
came
local
to-
administration and the police is there 24/7, and every type of nakabandi possible to ensure that the containment zone is maintained is there. Now, if somebody is able to come forward and give us concrete evidence, then we will definitely inquire into it.
Because afterwards it was the local who told them, forced them to go for the testing and all. And after that only, since the police arrived and all, they were sent for testing in Mopsi.
I'm sorry, but I really don't think that somebody could have come out from there. If at all somebody made an attempt, they would have definitely been stopped by the police. You yourself are mentioning that I don't know what exact incident you're referring to, where the police apprehended them. You're not mentioned that. Okay, now I am not aware of this incident. I have been told by the collector as well as the SP that all necessary steps have been put in place. I have already read out from our containment strategy and whatever the collector and police are doing. So there is absolutely no possibility of anyone having come out from there. Now, if there is some concrete evidence that there has been somebody, then we check on it.